Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious, quick fish dinner. Even kids love it, and I usually serve it with rice. I use in this recipe tuna canned fish. First, using ghee or tallow, saute the onion with the garlic. Then add tomato paste. Using this method will give such a delicious flavor to the soup when you cook the paste this way. Add spices and coriander. Then add fish. Taste your fish. If it is salty, you don't need to add salt. If it is not, add salt. Then add apricot and raisin that I just rinsed, and then chopped parsley. Then add water. Like after 7 or 5 minutes after you add the fish, let it cook for 7 or 5 minutes, then add water. The water you add is about half an inch covering the fish. And then cover it and let it cook until it's finished. And that's it, it's done. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.